So in this video, we're going to look at the Taqsim and what I call the Mambo steps, so the Mambo Taqsim. And there's another variation of that which we'll do later, but I want to show you this one first. So please warm up if you're not warm up already, and then come back and see me as usual. I got so many videos for you to choose from. Yes, so let's begin. So we're going to start off with just the Mambo step. It's not exactly a Mambo, but it's very, very similar. So we're going to step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go right, left, right, left. Right on the spot, back on the spot. 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 1, 2, 3. We're going to go a bit quicker. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I hope everyone's staying safe in these crazy times. I don't know when you're watching this video, but at the time of shooting, we are in coronavirus times. So I hope that you're okay, you're safe, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video and dance with me. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the Taqsim. If you don't know what the Taqsim is, you've never learnt it, I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel to teach you how to do that. So go to the Figure of 8 series, which is part of this series, and look up the Taqsim, Inward Maya Taqsim, and it will teach you how to do the movement. Okay, and also, so let's go. Keep the hips moving. For the moment, keep everything facing forwards and really snake through your waist. Snake as much as you can, and then keep the chest lifted, long neck and shoulders down. Cascade your hips. So if you want to learn properly, especially if you are watching this video in coronavirus times, in lockdown period, and you want to continue learning, take my online classes, because they run as courses on my website, so you can still learn properly. It's very different from doing YouTube tutorials. You learn properly with lots of explanation, lots of different moves, combinations, choreography, drills, techniques, everything, all in one class. The classes are an hour long and they progress. So it runs as a course, and you've got unlimited access to so many videos. So check that out if you're interested in learning properly and making real progress. Otherwise, for now, we dance together. 1, 2, 1, 2. All the music that I use in my tutorial videos is by Tribal from the Trap, so look them up too. I'll tell you something really cool about that in a second, which might be of benefit to you. Alright, so first of all, let's get the legs going. So when you do your Taqsim, the tricky thing is that you start, when you're moving, you will start the Taqsim on the opposite hip. So for example, I step forward on my right, but I need to start the Taqsim on my left, and vice versa. When you do outward Maya, it's very literal, or Maya, it's very literal. If I step on the right, then it's my right hip press, on the left is the left. But Taqsim is the opposite way around. So I'm going to step forward on my right, but I need my Taqsim, or my inward 8 to be on this hip. So let's try that together. Slowly first. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I step on this leg, but I use this hip, and you alternate that way. 1, 2. So if you're a teacher, if you're a dancer, if you're a performer, you can use Tribal from the Trap's music for all of your videos. I know at this moment in time, everyone's going crazy with their online classes and their YouTube videos, social media and that sort of stuff, and having problems with music. Tribal from a Trap music is music that's license free, so you can use that to promote and to use for anything that you're doing. So whether it's your own personal choreography, or your videos, or your teaching, or your demonstrating, you can use Tribal from a Trap music with no hassle. Your video will not be blocked, and your sound will not be blocked. So check it out. You also have a website, tribalfromatrap.com, and the music is available everywhere, basically. So good. All right, I'm going to face aside, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to step forward on my right, and I start the Taqsim on my left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure you're snaking those hips. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Snake it, snake it. Now if you want to, if you've got the hang of it now, it feels really cool, you can experiment with your arms. I always like to encourage creativity when I teach and encourage you to find your own style and your own way of moving. It's more fun and it's just like genuine to yourself, right? You bring yourself to the party, bring yourself to your dance. So experiment. It's really a choice. You don't have to. If you're still focusing on the hips, I will just focus on the hips. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. So what you can do is I encourage you to watch it again, but do it on the leg. So train both sides, train both legs. And I'm going to do another video shortly with the Maya and the Mambo step. Yeah? I'll teach you that next. Okay, in the meantime, stay safe. And look forward to seeing you in more videos. Thank you so much. Check out my website, BellyDance.com, for online classes, courses. Live streaming is now a thing that I'm doing too. And private online lessons from anywhere in the world, so check it out. Any questions, message me. Thank you so much.